Sorry girls, I got cut off there. I don't know what happened. I think there's a problem with YouTube. Anyway, neither here nor there. I just wanted to take a look at the 2015 paper. The only thing that's different in the 2015 paper in that part C that I'm taking a look at is it states one way of maximising the yield of recrystallization process, and that's important in terms of how you maximise it. So if you're doing hot filtration, you need all the equipment to be hot. So you would say that to maximise the amount, you would make sure that all of the equipment when you're doing the hot filtration is warm. So you would warm the funnel, you would warm the conical flask by rinsing them first with boiling water. And that maximises the amount that stays in solution as you do that filtration. So that's the only one question that's slightly different in 2015. And then in 2013, I can't imagine there's anything particularly unusual in that one. So one of the diagram shows distillation. No, which one? Describe what the melting point. So 117 to 120, 120 to 121. So 120 to 121, or B. In 2013, B is the answer. It's a pure sample because it's got a narrower range. And the students were required to recrystallise the impure benzoic acid. What solvent should have been used for the recrystallization? That's boiling water or very warm water. And explain why the solvent is suitable, because benzoic acid is soluble in very warm water but insoluble in cooler water. So it works perfectly. And other than that, that should be benzoic acid. Okay, if you have any issues, you need to let me know, girls, in terms of those questions on benzoic acid, but I'm going to assume that that's that titration taking a look at. I know you're working away on your question 1 to 7, those calculations, so I'll go on and do the next set as soon as I get an opportunity to. I know I also have that experiment, ethanol and ethanoic acid, but I'm just looking for a reasonable video of the actual procedure so that you can see it. Once I find one that I'm happy enough with, I'll post that for you and we'll do the exam questions. So I don't think there is actually any on that one, but it's a relatively straightforward experiment, so I'll run through it with you and just show you any types of questions that I think might make an appearance. Oh yeah, ethanol and ethanoic acid came up last year as part of it in 2019.